I can't count how many women have told me when somebody wrongs me and I tell them something is going to happen to them, it does. And usually, because if you wrong okay, you go find way to shoot your ass. Onya na many men wait there for prison. No say, but that thing no enufa. They no say no olu ikenga ni enufa to show say they be ekwensu. But to show them in the wrong way, because if person fuck with you, guy, carry your cooler, go your okwu, and nobody will even fuck with you, first of all, because person even that energy to even come into your space, now an energy space where you in for that energy, will go and fuck with you to even track you come. Anyways, the woman, if person onye we got the person ni fire me. Na that thing na-eme that person. Mgbe esi m onye ịmalụ n'onye abụ na ibu dibia, ọla ife abụ ọnụ atọ. Ọ bụla ya bụ na dibia kwuo okwu si na ife ya ele ole na ọ dị n'ọnụ, say you send your spirit message. Ịmalụ n'onye abụ na ibu dibia, ị na-eche na nwe mbọsị na onwe bishop ya esi na pope ya esi, pope ordinary ya esi from Vatican wee gbadata from nri or wherever wee bịa chie gị Cardinal. Ọ dị gị n'ọnụ kama na inezi that person anya, inezi onye anụ a na-adịbe ekwu na ọ gwakwara na mmadụ ajọ ife ya bụ ife eme that person ya afụkwa na ndụ onye ahụkwa aka ọ dị. Because iji ọnụ ọgwụgwọ gị, your healing mouth, your healing tongue as dibia wey you be, you use am na akọnsị. Every interaction for this world na either ngozi or ekwu. This na actually why I dey review my teaching of etu mmadu na Alusi. Because first of all, I dey in a position where I fit teach something, where I fit explain something to people. So I guys dey careful. Say my teaching na life where I dey teach, no be death where I dey teach. Now I dey very fine. I dey very happy with if person talk with you, may you talk am up. I dey very glad to do that because more abu ekwensu, more abu ikenga, more dey go with anybody we be onye. I know they play with onye. But the fact remains that for that energy batado into a space already, first things first, right? First principles. Why did a low energy track you and come? Why was a low energy able to access you? That should be the first teaching, and that's what I'm about. I'm about every Igbo man being an active ikenga. Every Igbo woman recognizing that no bu Alusi no bu ogwugwo, not to now teach a reactive teaching of na onye maghi na Alusi. Now the problem with that thing is already that a lot of reactive teachings already. Every of these ifemegi gakulu dibia is already a reactive teaching. Ibu eze mmụọ gị gọba mmụọ gị ọbụla until ifeme iwe chọlụ dibia wee jebe that same day ya ejekwata mmadu na Alusi egolo ọfọ otu. That is not what I'm about. So me now, my teaching na life. I dey teach life. I know they teach to go kill person. I dey teach to be idinedo with mmụọ gị. So ladies and gentlemen, na-ebu onwe gị as a deity, na-ebu Alusi. Talk like a deity, talk like a spirit, talk like an akajiofo. Not the gino, ibu akajiofo of your spirit. If you ekwu, what you say, we forget, man. I know no kwe. Akike ngaji.